So next is the box. But then I have to look where I put the scissor. Can't find the scissor. Wait. Hold on. Just wait for me. Okay, I find it. I found it. Now is the exciting part. So this is all 10 pairs of heels. I still have 2 coming from Amazon and the other one is from Shein. So it's red and leopard color. So I have to be careful not to tear up the heels. So let me see if I can keep the box also. I hope it doesn't smash. Okay, now. Now, my God. It's a lot of shopping today. But I'm happy for it. Oh my gosh, the box. I will keep the box. Okay. I know you're excited what's in here. We'll see the quality of these heels. OMG. It's not bad at all. It's a good one. So I have it, and I'm just gonna show you what's in here because there's so much to unbox, and later on we're gonna try also this one, but for now it's just unboxing video. So this is the heels. So this is brown heels, size 36. So I'm gonna put it here inside. I'm gonna show you all first. Next is this one. That's brown, and this is also kind of red brown. It's a shiny part of the heels. Well, this is the design, and the size is also size 36. And I'm just gonna show you first. This is the heels that we have. So again, let's put it back. So that's 2 pairs. This is black, and it's also beautiful. I'm just also curious how it looks like in real than in picture, because there are also items that look so nice in the picture, but in reality it's very ugly. So this is so cute, sexy, and I love the how do you call that? I love the paint. I love the color, so I'm gonna just put it back here again. And then, oops, destroy. So next, so excited. I forgot I have the tree here. I can put it here also later. Next, after this one, I'm gonna put it here. But then this one is quite very high, so I think this is 12 centimeter long. the heels, and the textures is quite very comfy, very comfortable. And I'm gonna show you, this is also size 36. Smell good. It's so lovely. I love all the heels. Okay. Next. So I have so many heels that I have to wear for driving, so I make time for that. I will go out for that and do a driving video. But some of my members, they want open toes, and this one is Stiletto heels, close toe heels. So sometimes I don't know what I have to wear, but I'm just gonna wear it, maybe post twice in a week next time. And for now, I have these transparent heels. Oh my gosh, I have two now. It's very nice, lovely, lovely. What a lovely heels. So cute. So let's see, I can put it here. Okay, we still have more to go. No boxes, only in the plastic, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. So cute. So this is the heels. I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm also gonna show you the other one. I think I'm too quick for that, for this. So I have this transparent heels. I'm gonna put it here. So we still have more. Oh my gosh, it's so high. It's also 12-inch. So just gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna show you yes collection. So I have this one. So I'm also gonna put it here. So I have to remove the lotion. I think for one roll it will fit for 3. This one is quite very high. I need to put it in the top. But for now, I'm gonna put it in the floor. This is quite high. So I still have 3 more to go. Okay, so this one is also close to heels. So this is with a strap. Was like confusing with lace or strap, but this one is a strap. So this is how it looks like. Just gonna show you. It's also very high. And then I need to buy aircon in this room because I have so many heels here. It will damage the glue if too warm. Okay. This is so nice. I love it. demure. Very demure. So okay, next. So this is my nails. I broke one of it today. Okay. This is kind of suede. What do you call that? This is also very soft. I love it. I have more collection now. And of course, still more to come. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Now, last one. Last one to unbox. Ta-da! So it's kind of boots. It's quite high. So this is, I love this one. That's why I buy. And then this one. I'm thinking where I have to put this one. Okay. This is the last one, guys. And then we are done. So I hope you like our video today and this unboxing video today, and more heels to come. So hopefully tomorrow the additional heels is here. It's from Amazon and one pair from Shein. So this is all Shein stuff. This is not sponsored video, but this is sponsored heels from one of my followers. Thank you so much and see you next video. Bye everyone. Love you all.